Hi guys, back again with another video. Now I'm back in Chennai again, so I've decided that I'll go to Marina Beach. So yesterday I thought of going in the afternoon, but it was too hot, so I decided to come in the night. So let's see what all can you actually find in Marina Beach at night time. So there are a lot of things that you can actually buy, a lot of things that you can actually see. So I'm using a 360 cam, which is right here, so you'll be seeing that video later on, and I'm using a phone with a gimbal so that we can get closer shots with that. So let's go ahead and see what all can we find here. Okay, so that was Marina Beach. So we actually walked on the beach for quite some time. We actually covered, I think, 2-3 kilometers. So it's not easy walking. Make sure you actually wear good footwear so that you can walk properly. Don't wear too many open footwear like chappals and stuff, that'll get stuck. So all in all, good experience. A lot of things to eat. If you are a non-veg, then there are a lot of seafood options, so you can eat that. If you're veg, there are a lot of bhaji options, so you can eat that. A lot of shell items, a lot of tattoo places, so a lot of different things. But I would suggest come in the evening-ish time, not in the afternoon because it's too hot. So I did not try that. So that's it. That's basically Marina Beach for you. If you want me to go to some other beach, do let me know. Next time I'm in Chennai, I'll go over there. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.